Let's get into the final encore performance of the night. The choir that's about to perform hails from central Manchester, and they are here with a dedication to the Gargamel himself, Buju Banton. Please make some noise. They are big, they are bad. This is Bellefield.
Yeah, Bellefield, a great pick, you know, and Buju Banton would feel very nice to hear, a great rendition of his song like this. You know, I'm not sure about all of the gospel. I mean, this is just an encore, right? So it's a good song, but I'm not sure if all the gospel things, give the right feeling that the song needs, and even some of the pronunciation, like Buju Banton would say can't, he wouldn't say can't, So it's a nice thing though, and it sounds really good. I like it, and I would listen to this if it was on a CD every day.
Yeah, Bellefield, I gave you a lot of compliments for this song when you did it, and I'm glad for the privilege to hear it again, because there are so many details. The beauty of this, though, the beauty is in the arrangement. You've done so many things with the simple melodies that we know, and it really is a good tribute to Buju's work, and it's a classic. Good work.
Thank you. Yeah, Bellefield, I enjoyed it because there's some little surprises every now and then in it, where you have a nice full harmony and you reharmonize the thing, so you change it up a little bit, make it your own in a sense. And so for that, I enjoyed it.
Bellefield, your arrangement has always been ahead of the pack, and no surprise. After all, you are BHS, the better high school.